Hey guys, Dylan here from Forcite Helmets. Real quick before we jump into the crash footage, I just wanted to give a bit of context and maybe introduce Forcite to those of you who have never heard of us. For those of you that are particularly impatient, I'll put a timestamp here for when the riding begins. There's 4 or 5 minutes of pretty gripping as the rider sees it, POV footage on the track before the crash. 200k an hour crash, I'll put that one there. Forcite Helmets are a company based out of Sydney, Australia. We've actually produced and shipped the world's first smart motorcycle helmet. We've got 1,300 active users that are using the product right now and helping us flesh out the software before our big retail launch at the end of the year. So the helmet itself has an integrated camera up the front there that records in 1080p at 60 frames per second. Inside, we've got our patented peripheral display that through our app will tell you when there's police in the area. Speed cameras, gives you all your GPS notifications and real-time road alerts. Speakers and full audio capability built in as well. So music, phone calls, and those alerts through your ears too. This particular helmet is the one from the footage you're about to see. So we sponsor a guy named Aidan Hayes in the super sport class of the Australian Superbike Championship. He was wearing it at Wakefield for round 3 last week. Was in free practice before all the racing actually begun, getting a feel for the track. Tires were a bit cold, braking from 220 k's an hour down the main straight. Just tipped it in a bit too quick and lost the front end. It seemed a bit unceremonious to kind of throw the crash footage up on the internet without explaining that. Aidan's a real competitor and a great guy. Didn't want to do that to him. Between now and the end of the year when we're doing our big retail launch, we have got so much content on the way, it's ridiculous. We've got racing content, we've got customer content, testimonials and reviews to share, heaps of behind the scenes product news that will be taking you along the journey and showing you how the product is due to kind of improve and all the little updates we'll be doing before the retail launch. So that's enough out of me, I think. Let's watch some ride footage, have a blast, and we'll see you in another video real soon. Thank you.